Thank you again for watching. Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Hi, I'm Miss Ortega. Did you know that you don't need a degree to enter the medical coding industry? For anyone who's considering a career change, the amount of years in college for most medical professions are not realistic or attainable. The biggest hurdles preventing people from chasing their dreams in medicine is the time and the cost that it takes. After a 4-year degree and residency and then a fellowship, it's no wonder people have come to such a standstill. So for those of you who want to be in medicine but can't do all that time or all that money, there is some great news. Because becoming a medical coder doesn't require a medical degree at all. All you need is the 3-day medical coding and exam prep course. This is hugely important for anyone considering a career change, as most people simply don't have the time or the money to gamble away. Join the thousands of working professionals who have entered this ever so rewarding industry after the 3-day course, all with no prior knowledge or experience needed. See the testimonials for yourselves on all social media platforms. Be sure and learn more at medicalcodingacademy.org. I'm Miss Ortega. Thank you for your time. Thank you again for watching. Don't forget to hit the bell for notifications. Have a blessed day and see you next time.